Okay. Let me make a new one. I don't want, because I don't remember the exact steps. So I'm just going to call it testing. And if anyone sees it right now, they should be smart enough to figure out that we're testing something. I'm going to delete it. Test. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So let's go back into announcements. Okay. And let's see, let me X this out.
Okay. What? How are you Xing it out?
I just went X and I closed it, which means it's gone now.
Okay.
Let's see, how are you? Announcements, RSS, okay.
Where did you
Testing.
get reorder announcements? Where did you get that? Where did you get that? I didn't see you do that. See, I can't see it very well. So, go back and show me how you did that. Go back and show me how you did that. You're at announcements. Well, you have testing.
Okay, here it says dismissed. Now I'm going to go into restore. There it is.
No, that didn't help.
Yeah, I just restored it.
I didn't
So
see
look,
you. I didn't see you get
Look,
rid of it.
Dismissed, restore. That's all you got to do. Okay, let me show you again.
Okay, show me again.
Hi.
Hi. Okay, let me see this again.
Okay, so this is where I exit out to dismiss it.
Okay, it's
Dismissed
gone.
does not mean gone. Okay, they can't see it, but it's still within your shell.
Okay, then
So
you
you need
says
to go
go
into-
to reorder announcements.
Announcements tool might help. Let's see what's announcements tool. Yeah, announcements tool is where they're kept. So go
Where?
into announcement.
Okay, where is announcements tool?
Okay. Well, let me.
You have to show me. You have to.
But I'm showing
You have to
you.
go very slow with me.
Okay.
You can't. You like to go really fast. I know you do, but it doesn't help me if you go fast.
I just exit out.
Okay.
Now go to announcements tool. Go to announcements tool. Announcement tool will show all the announcements in the entire class, including ones you've dismissed. Okay. If you go down, you'll see everything that you've gotten rid of.
I haven't gotten rid of anything. Okay.
You did this one accidentally.
I did that one accidentally.
Okay. So now we're gonna go. Oh, look, it's dismissed. We're gonna go restore. And then when you go back into it, there it is again. It's back.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna go ahead and delete it again because you don't actually want this. Okay.
So you go to announcements tool and restore.
You go
Okay.
to announcements tool and restore. Okay. So I'm going to show you assessments, discussions. Okay.
So I didn't go through assessments. I went through content, but I think that's okay.
Yeah, I'm going to show you an easier way to do it. Okay.
I don't want easier
I'm
way.
showing you, Dad. Just
I don't
can you,
want an easier
Dad,
way.
can you just please watch? Okay. Thank you. Okay. Discussion 1, A Doll's House. View topic. Let's see. Okay. All right, that just takes you into it. So I'm going to go back out. I think it's viewed, hold on. I think it's this one. View topic statistics. Yes, there we go. Okay. So there you go. Jessica, 0 threads, 0 replies. Louisa, 1 thread, 2 replies. She gets 100%. Raya, 1 thread, 0 replies.
Okay,
She
where
gets 50%.
did you get viewpoint topic statistics under?
Okay, so you go into discussions, assessments, discussions. Okay, and then you go to the first. And actually, you can do this from content.
Yeah, well,
Two.
let's just keep going with what you're
Okay.
doing.
Then you find this drop-down menu.
And then where does it say? Oh, view
topics,
statistics.
statistics.
Okay.
Yeah. Now, the one thing is that if they get wise to the fact that you're doing this, you might, all it shows is if someone has done one, they might have written like 1 sentence.
Right.
So-
I won't do that entirely.
You can still go back and look and see that they're doing a full post, 150 words and 50
Right.
words replies. But this tells you, so for example, this person did 2 threads for some reason, inexplicable reason, but she was supposed to do one thread and 2 replies, so she seems confused. Anyway, she only gets 50% because
One thread, you mean one posting?
thread is the post,
The post.
and then replies are the replies. Okay. So
Why isn't it called post instead of thread?
because that's what they call it. Because it's an internet term for when you make a post and other people comment on it. It's called
A thread.
a thread.
Okay.
So she's done one original post, one thread. She started a thread, and no, she did 2. For some
I
reason,
thought
she
you
did
said
2.
an original post is a thread.
The thread is the whole thing together. The thread is the post with all the replies.
Okay.
All of that's a thread because it
Okay.
all goes from one
So a
source.
post per se is not a thread. It's a post.
No, but they have to start a thread. So to start a thread, they have to make a post. Does that make sense?
Right.
So when it'll say one thread, she started one thread, and she
Okay.
did replies to 2 threads. So she's good. She got 100%. Whereas this person here was confused, and for some reason did 2. For some reason, she did 2 threads and no replies. So that's wrong. So she only had to do 1 thread, so you can't really give her credit for doing 2 threads. In fact, you could go and figure out what she actually did, because that's weird. And she gets 50% because it's the way I usually do it is it's 25% per reply. So 25, and then 50% for the thread. So she still only gets 50% because she, for some reason, did 2 threads and 0 replies. She only needed 1 thread.
Okay.
Does that make
I
sense?
see. Yeah.
Okay. Now, that said, I'm curious, what are her 2 threads? I'm going to go look at them.
So you have to find who is she?
Let's see. Okay, Sergio, Ashley, Sergio, Mariana, Michaela, Emily, Wanda, Jillian, Callisto, Anna, Raya, Luisa, Diana Rivera. Okay. Okay, 1 thread. Does she have another one? Diana Rivera. Weird. So she must have done 1 and then it deleted it. And that's why it's showing 2. But you can see that she's just got 1 here.
Mm-hmm.
And she's not answered anyone else.
So replies are not replies to her thread. Replies are how many times she replied to someone else.
Yes, and she's supposed to
Okay.
do 2
So
replies.
You grade them on their having done 2 replies and 1 posting.
Yeah, exactly. It's weird that it's showing her as doing 2 threads and no replies.
Announcements, view statistics.
Okay, anyway, I'm going to stop this video now.